Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how RoboKiller works on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, RoboKiller is an app that helps stop spam calls, robocalls, and spam calls from reaching your phone. First, open the RoboKiller app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. RoboKiller uses a large database of known spam and scam numbers. When a call comes in, RoboKiller checks the number right away. If the call is known to be spam, RoboKiller blocks it before your phone rings. This means fewer interruptions and fewer unwanted calls. One of the RoboKiller special features is Answer Bot. Instead of just blocking the call, RoboKiller can answer spam calls for you. The app plays a recorded message that sounds like a real person. This wastes the scammer's time and helps to stop future spam calls. RoboKiller can also help filter spam text messages. Suspicious messages are removed away so your main inbox stays clean. Once RoboKiller is set up, you don't need to do anything. It works automatically in the background, protecting your iPhone all day. And that's it. That's how RoboKiller works on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.